viewers to another episode on ASU G12 exams. So in this episode we are looking at section B of the 2021 Gce Science Paper 1. So let us start with question B1. Laboratory safety rules and the regulations are important to keep laboratory safe. Question A. State the immediate action that a learner should take if the following happened while carrying out an experiment. Roman numeral 1. Chemicals got into contact with his or her clothes or skin or mouth. So basically what you are required to state is, in this case, the immediate action. So what should be done there and then. So for Roman numeral 1, basically when chemicals get into contact with basically clothes, skin or mouth, the immediate action should be taken is basically to wash off immediately with distilled water. So basically wash off the affected part immediately with water. Now this water should be distilled water or pure water, and report the accident to the teacher. That's basically what should be done. So immediately you need to wash off the affected part with water and report the accident to the teacher or a lab attendant. Number 2, she or he bent or cut herself or himself. So basically what is happening in this case, there is an indication of the opening of either the wound or the blood is flowing. So basically what happens in this case, immediately wash the wound with warm water and soap. So this one helps to remove potential bacteria or germs, and report the accident to the teacher or a laboratory attendant. No matter how minor it may seem to appear, you need to report it to basically the one in charge. It could be the laboratory attendant or the teacher. So basically these are the immediate actions. Question B. The following diagram shows a Bunsen burner, the most commonly used heating apparatus in the chemistry laboratory. Give one reason why the air or should be fully open when the Bunsen burner is in use. So basically this is the all we are talking about. So why should it be opened in full? So basically when it is opened in full, basically it allows more inflow of air. So allows more inflow of air, resulting in more oxygen, which is required for a complete for a complete combustion. So once we have more air inflows, we're going to have more oxygen, which is basically will enter the Bunsen burner and hence support complete combustion. So basically that's the purpose. Let us look at question C. One of the gases used in a Bunsen burner is methane. Roman numeral 1, state all products of combustion of this gas in the Bunsen burner when the air hole is fully open. So basically, if you see methane is given by CH4, which is an hydrocarbon, and this is basically a gas. Then this, when burned in air, it reacts with oxygen, which is a gas, to give us basically carbon dioxide. Because it's fully open, then there is complete combustion. So it's going to give us basically carbon dioxide, which is gas, plus water, which is basically a liquid. So when there is incomplete combustion, we are going to have basically, which is in the presence of a limited oxygen, we are going to have a carbon monoxide plus water. So this one becomes a monoxide because our oxygen is limited. Then we are required to state all the products from this combustion. So we know the products are two. So basically we have water and carbon dioxide. These are the products. So we have water and carbon dioxide. Let's look at Roman numeral 2. One of the products of complete combustion of methane is a pollutant. Name the product and state its effect on the environment. So one of the products which is basically pollutant in this case is carbon dioxide. This is water, which is not a pollutant. So here the name is basically carbon dioxide. Then what is its effect on the environment? So basically excessive carbon dioxide in atmosphere lead to global warming. That's why you hear they've been talking about limiting on combustion of these petroleum by promoting clean energy to reduce on global warming. So basically, this is how you answer this question to get the 6 marks.